We all lead really busy lives, and it can be tempting to buy a takeaway or pop a processed meal in the microwave. But if you want to stay healthy, it is best to cook food fresh. And even better, to use organic foods. The question now is, what can you prepare that is organic, healthy, and is ready to eat quickly? Cook in batches. One way to make sure you have something ready is to batch cook. Why not spend a few hours making all your favourite meals, separate them out into portions, and freeze them? A great go-to in the freezer is an organic basic ragu sauce. Follow this basic recipe and multiply the quantities as you wish. 2 400-gram tins of chopped tomatoes, organic. 2 sticks of celery, chopped. 2 carrots, peeled and diced. 2 onions, peeled and finely chopped. 100 grams of organic brown mushrooms, finely sliced. 1 clove of finely grated garlic. 1 bay leaf. 1 handful of basil leaves, preferable but not essential, or you can add dried basil. 1 glass of water. 2 tablespoons of organic tomato puree. 30 ml of extra virgin olive oil, Himalayan salt and black pepper, a few grinds of each as seasoning, 250 grams of organic grass-fed minced beef or lamb. Step 1. Fry celery, mushrooms, carrots, garlic and onions in olive oil. If using beef, lamb or turkey, include the meat at this stage. Step 2. When the vegetables are soft and the meat browned, add the tinned tomatoes, herbs, tomato puree, water and seasoning. If using corn mince, it can be added at this stage. Step 3. Stir ingredients together and then leave to cook gently. This takes about half an hour. Remember to stir now and then to avoid it sticking. 4. Remove bay leaf before freezing. Cook organic wholemeal pasta or spaghetti for bolognese, or top with cooked and mashed organic potatoes for cottage pie with beef, or shepherd's pie with lamb. So there you have it, a quick dinner idea. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.